It's the first week of November, which means holiday shopping is about to really get going, and we're counting down with 5 items that could make great gifts. Beauty and lifestyle advisor Dawn McCarthy is here to show us all of these amazing items, and it looks like you've got something for everybody.
I do. I have something for everyone in the family. And first, Amy, I want you to elevate your lifestyle effortlessly with these beautifully hand-painted robes from Ulivary. They're a fashion brand. They have everything on their website. You really need to write this down and check them out. These are beautiful, silk, comfortable, one-size robes that fit most. Because so literally, Drea is modeling this garden crane blue right now, but you or I could actually wear this, which is nice. So when you're looking for a gift for your mom, your sister, your aunt, or anybody like that, or if you have a wedding coming up. And right now, robes have been really popular with not just only in the house, in the bedroom, but actually going to the beach as well. So this is kind of a great gift. It fits most. They're absolutely beautiful. They feel gorgeous. And they even have a short one, because obviously I'm a little bit shorter, and they have a long one, but these will look gorgeous on you. So when you don't know what to get that special someone, this is a great option.
They make great gifts for bridesmaids too.
Absolutely, absolutely. And next up, so we went from fashion. You know me, I have to have beauty at the holidays. And so this was created by actress and entrepreneur Asia Mion. And basically, these are beauty gadgets for you to use at home, just like you would get at the spa, but now that you can use them at home. So this is the Skinni Pro Max, and it's an LED. So it's basically has it for 15 minutes. I'm going to turn this on. You're going to see it has a red light right there. And if I hit this button, it's actually also going to give you that RF technology in it, which is radio frequency technology. And basically, this is going to help you melt fat. This is going to help you.
I think you buried the lead. That's what we call burying the lead. We're going to be able to melt fat.
Melt fat. You're going to reduce cellulite. And what I love about it, since it's handheld, like I've actually been using it on my arms. You can sit at home and do it on your stomach or your back. You want to do this about 3 times a week. And it also has blue light as well. And then you'll just hold it down and it'll go right out. And in 12 days, you'll start to see results.
And if you smell bacon, you've used it too long.
You've used it too long, but this is really nice. And it's $130 where you can go into spas and centers and things like that and spend thousands of dollars. This you can use it in the privacy of your own home.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm still sticking with my beauty because I have to have it. Now, this kit is just under $50, and this is DermaQuest Clarify and Purify BHA Peel. It's a 3-step process, which I really love, so it's really easy to read. They've got 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to cleanse, so it's going to basically prep you all for that exfoliation process, get all the oils and impurities out. Then you're going to do a PM peel, and that's got salicylic acid and willow bark, and that's going to clear your skin. It's going to keep it very well balanced, you know, and breakout free skin. And then it's got a 24-hour recovery cream, and again, that's going to restore, hydrate, and just have your skin looking amazing for the holidays. And under $50, this is a gift for men. This is a gift for women. Anyone can use this. I absolutely love this for my beauty. Next, we are actually seeing this before anybody else on the market. So this doesn't even get released till November 3rd. This is Martinelli's apple cider cranberry jam ice cream.
That's a mouthful, I know.
Say that 10 times fast. So basically, Martinelli's and McConnell's ice cream, they're both California-based companies. If you've never, I mean, I literally go to their scoop shops all the time. So these are only going to be available while supplies last. So they've combined 2 of the holidays' favorite flavors for Thanksgiving. They've done the cranberries and the apples, because Martinelli's a family company, McConnell's is a family company, and again, you can go to the scoop shops to pick these up while supplies last, or go on their websites. And again, how good is that? So it combines the cider and the tartness of the cranberry.
Tart of the cranberry, but I was thinking we should have talked about melting the fat after we tried the ice cream, but I was leaving
the treats to the last. So again, this is a great, get it while they last, like I said, because they're not going to last for very long. And then lastly, this is Drinkmate, and this is Drinkmate, this is their OmniFizz, and it's consistently ranked the best home beverage carbonator on the market because it can carbonate basically any beverage. So literally, Amy, I'm going to have you push the button right there. So this literally by one push can do juice, tea, wine, cocktails, sports drink, anything that you want to carbonate, which makes it really different on the market. So anybody that you want to get something for their home, you don't know what to get them, this is really great. It has black. It actually will match any kitchen out there that you also have. That comes in a ton of different colors. But I love that it can do absolutely any beverage by just a push of a button, and you can carbonate. And do you even know why like carbonation sometimes is good for you during even the holidays?
I don't know.
Okay, so when you have a carbonated drink, it sometimes fills you up up a little bit quicker.
Oh, okay.
So I really love that as well. So add that to the list for the people you don't know what to get.
Drink that before you eat the ice cream. All right.
Yes.
Thanks so much for joining us. And of course, you can find more information about Dawn's Corner and all the items that you've just seen by going to our website, kcalnews.com, and click Seen on TV.